Hello, this is Ryan and Griffin for our ziggurat of Antimonachy. Ziggurat of Antimonachy, the Tower of Babel. Our ziggurat is originally called the Ziggurat of Antimonachy, but they now call it the Tower of Babel because it's more common to say. King Nebuchadnezzar. What's his name? We're gonna take two. Nebuchadnezzar. Take two. King Nebuchadnezzar was the designer of the ziggurat. Entering the first story. The ziggurat was rich with gold, diamond, and steel. We went a little heavy on the torches, but it was to light up the place. And that says Antimonachy, the name of our ziggurat. The ziggurat was made of sand, gold, clay, and other metals and stone. These posts Take three. These posts you will find throughout the ziggurat in each story. It is made up of gold and steel. These posts are to hold up the building. You will find them around the ziggurat. Same with the middle one. Entering the second story. The only way to get to different stories is the stairs outside. Stairs outside. Inside. There were no stairs inside. The ziggurat of Antimonachy was built to reach the heavens for the king, but that's what the ziggurat of Antimonachy means. Going up to the third story. Oh gosh, we got guards. It's Griffin and Ryan. This is where they have church and ceremonies. Going up to the fourth story. This is just an empty room for parties and stuff like that. Going to the fifth story. This is a hooter. Take five. This is where the Sumerians would sleep. This is the relaxing room too. Going to the sixth story. Another empty room. They did not have a lot to fill in these. It had to be big to reach heaven. This is the seventh story. In here it were take five. In here this is the seventh story. This is where they had all the priceless stuff, like take six.
Alright, this is the 7th story, and here is where you'll find an unusual sized bench with a golden table. This is where the king took his lady when he wanted to impress her. Alright, this is also the richest story. As you can see, there's diamond and gold and steel everywhere. Alright, so this... Alright, so this ziggurat was basically... It was destroyed by erosion, and this was what it looked like when it was rebuilt. And Nebuchadnezzar was originally... This is what he tried to make it look like, and then... In 1918, we tried to rebuild it to make it look like what it first did. Thank you. That's Rad Guy and Giffles reporting out. Bye.